Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this wide angle effect on CapCut PC. So I have this video right here. I will just go to effects and we are going straight for the lens button right here. And if you looked further, sorry, I have really bad eyesight. You can take this wide angle effect and you can add it to your videos. Apparently it does zoom in, or the video did zoom in. You can adjust the strength here of how wide you want the angle to be, and that's pretty much it really. They have other options for it, but this is the wide angle effect. I guess it imitates the wide angle effect, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.